Okay, this is the first of what's going to be a weekly series of my FX trades of the week. I'm going to pick out what I think is the best trade of the charts that I examine every week and go through my thought processes as why I'm making this my trade of the week. So we're looking at a GBP JPY chart. It is Monday, so we've got all the positions. My trading method depends on or uses pivots as well as other indicators, but the key is the pivot area, because with pivots you already have a predetermined indicator. It's the only real indicator that tells you where price may react at some period in the future. So what I do once I look at the pivots, I put a couple of lines across the charts to see how these pivots look on higher time frames and see whether we have any areas of support and resistance. And if we look on the H4 chart, we can see that WR1 is hitting this level here, and WS1 is running all the way down here. So WS1, WR1 are both lines where price is likely to react depending on which one it hits. Now currently price is moving north. My guess would be that sometime probably Wednesday we may hit WR1. If we get to WR1, then I will place a sell trade depending on other indicators. Similarly, if we get to WS1, which doesn't look like likely this week, but it could happen, there's a good chance there'll be a buy trade. What I also do here is put an alert on WR1, and I put an alert on WS1. So if I'm away from my screens, away from my charts, I will get the alert and I can see whether a trade is likely or not. So that's my trade of the week for this week. I'll update this next Monday, see how this trade got on, and post another trade. I am giving away all the indicators I use in my videos that I'm going to be posting, including the invaluable RKD Disciplindicator, the RKD Disciplindicator, designed to bring discipline to your trading. This is a very useful indicator as it gives you a snapshot of the market at any one particular time. Just to briefly go through this, we've got our trading pairs, the current price, the proximity to the pivot levels, today's open, yesterday's high, in this case Friday's high, Friday's low, the value of the MA, or rather the value of the distance of the price from the MA 200 or whatever MA level you're utilizing, plus the value of the RSI. So what this matrix does is it will give you a 1, 2 or 3 or 4 star strength signal, and if we get a 3-star signal, we would look at this pair, whatever pair it is, and see whether there is in fact a trade there. So this indicator free, all the indicators that I use totally free. All you have to do is include your email address in the comments below, or you can email me at my email address, and I will send you a copy of this indicator and all the other indicators that I use.